What's going on, guys? It's Larry again here for the Leroy channel. But last time I did a cheat meal video, it was a burrito. I had other cheat meals since that video. I usually go to my sons to certain places, but today I'm flying solo, and I decided to hook myself up with some Domino's pizza because I was craving pizza. So, hey, for $1 they threw in the cinnamon twisty bread, so we're going to see what these are like because I've never had them before. They're like cinnamon twist, from Taco Bell, but whatever. So I have those to dessert for later. Probably not as good as my churros that I had in the burrito video, but it'll be pretty good. I ordered myself a medium and a large regular pizza. Nothing too crazy on these things here. So I want to see what I can get through today. Probably going to tackle the large first because I am really hungry. I've starved myself for this. And while I'm at it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch me some Eddie Strongman video on YouTube, on Netflix, and we're going to see what we got. So sit back, relax, enjoy yourself. You might get look at some laughs and some everything else. And oh, I got my soda here too, which is my treat also, with my glass of water, just in case, if I get bored. And every now and then you might see my dog want to grab my pizza crust. So, thanks for watching, and let's see how much I can get through to, all this fun stuff today. This pizza, the large pizza alone, is maybe about 1,700 calories. The medium one is about, no, I'm lying, this one's almost about 2,000 calories. The medium one is about 1,700 calories. I don't even think about those cinnamon breads. So, let's see what we got. Alright? Thanks. Alright guys, check this out. I am sitting here chugging away. I am halfway done with this guy. Well, just about halfway done. And it's killing me. No joke, I did not think this was going to happen. But I might actually have to tap out on this. You know what, I think I'm just eating way too fast. So I can get it in for this, so I'm sitting here for 16 hours. Ooh, excuse me, but she's enjoying it, as you could tell. But I need to slow it down, and maybe I'll do a little bit more as time goes on. I'm watching a good show right now, and she's gonna be happy. But we'll see what happens. Alright? I'll keep this going for a little bit longer, but I feel I'm getting my butt kicked by some Domino's. At least I know what I'm having for dinner tonight. Alright? So, if you're stuck with me this long, awesome, keep it up. And make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Anything else you want to see me eat, do stuff, because I'm pretty good at eating. And I'm pretty good at lifting stuff. So, if you like this shirt, by the way, I got it while I was in Chicago. So get your ass to Chicago and go get one. Good stuff. Alright. Thanks again. seriously me. I got my phone in my hand. I'm not taking pictures of my food to post on social media, which I actually might do that later. But now I'm just sending it to my girlfriend because she's talking about how she's not eating very well this week and everything, and I'm like, my fat ass is sitting here eating Domino's, like a pie and a half and some cinnamon breads. You're gonna talk to me about you're not eating well? But I do this once a week, and the rest of the week I'm on point. So I just find it funny. So if you see me pick up my phone, it's because I'm actually having those conversations. So, anyway, let's get back to it. Thanks. Alright, that's enough. I definitely did not expect this to be so freaking hard. And I always make a joke that when I eat, you know, if I ever order Domino's with my kids or whatever, I'm like, oh, I could eat that whole thing, I could eat that whole thing, I could eat that whole thing. And apparently I can't. Now, I'm not bursting at the seams, I'm not dying, but I really want to try this. So, what the hell is this? A sweet icing. I didn't know that was in there. So, oh, check this out. Like a little cinnamon bread, twisty thingy. Oh, it's like a Cinnabon, but it's a pretzel. Kinda. I think it's weird, but not as good as the churro, but that's actually pretty good. Let me try the icing. I don't know. All right, let's see. You know, that kind of looks like a. Yeah, we don't need to talk about that. So, thanks for watching, guys. Watching my epic fail on killing a pie and a half of pizza. It's not going to happen today. And so, keep lifting, keep doing you. As Brian Shaw says, be great. Eddie Hall is the beast. This is some inspirational stuff, and just do you. Alright? Progress, not perfection, man. Live to improve, not impress. We won't get there. We will. So I have faith. Thanks again for watching, and do this again. See you later.